Magandang buhay, colleagues and future registered social workers. Welcome to the AM Corner, ang inyong tambayan for all things social work from theories to practice and everything in between. I am your host, a fellow social worker and your lecturer. Today, we are diving deep into our pre-board series, Knowledge and Philosophical Foundations of Social Work. So, ihanda na ang inyong kape, ang inyong highlighters, and your favorite notebooks. Let's strengthen your foundation and get you those three letters after your name. Let's get started. Roll intro. When people hear the term social work, many people immediately think about kindness, about charity, about helping people. While compassion is important, social work is not just simply about being kind. No? Because kindness alone does not make you a social worker. Nakikita natin dito sa illustration, sa gitna you have the heart, which is the kindness, and nakapalibot sa kanya is values, knowledge, and skill. We have values because we are grounded with human theories, human rights, social justice. Yan. And we have knowledge because we have a body of knowledge which is drawn with other social sciences and the law. And lastly, we have skills kasi we have practical skills that we are learned, we tested, and we ethically applied sa ating practice. So in other words, anyone can help, but you have to be a trained social worker in order to practice social work. And this session, we introduce the term social work DNA. No? Just like DNA, it defines what a human being is. No? Sa atin, no, DNA defines what makes a social worker a professional. Hindi lang siya basta volunteer, hindi lang siya basta helper, kundi isa siyang licensed and accountable practitioner. And after this session, you will know, no, why is it that a social work is a distinct profession? What differentiates professional practice from informal helping? And paano natin magagamit yung values, knowledge, and skills ng magkakasama, no? And hindi siya separate. First things first, let us define what is social work. Based on the global definition, social work is a practice-based profession and an academic discipline that promotes social change, development, social cohesion, and the empowerment of people. This is the only profession primarily concerned with social functioning. So ang key natin dito, no, social functioning, interaction between an individual and their social environment. We help individuals, families, groups, and communities interact. Hindi lang basta interact, to adapt with their social environment. Ano nga ba yung mga ibang social environment natin? First things first, we have family systems, we have community structures, we have social institutions, yung school kung saan ka nag-aaral, your health system and the justice system, and also yung policies and laws that shape people's lives. Unlike psychology, no, psychology only focuses on the individual mind, or sociology, no, which is studying society. Social work stands at the intersection of the person and the environment, which is why we use person in environment perspective. So a client's problem is never viewed in isolation. No? Poverty is not just because wala siyang income. No? Child neglect is not just because nag-fail yung parent. No? And mental distress is not just about personal weakness. Marami tayong dapat i-consider, like the people's social conditions, unequal structures, and yung mga limited access ng mga tao for resources. And in the Philippines, social work was formally recognized as a profession in 1965 with the passage of RA 4373. Now, this formally recognized social work as a practice-based profession. We require proper education and training, and we have established practice and accountability. Dumako naman tayo sa core values of the profession. No? Bakit nga ba importante ang core values sa social work? No? Of course, this is not just a technical occupation. Social work is a values-based profession. So in every decision, we apply our core values in the assessment, in our intervention, even in the documentation and advocacy part. We protect the clients from abuse of power and ensure that practice remains ethical, humane, and evidence-based. Una-una, we have service, providing help and resources to the community. Service means it is the primary commitment of a social worker to help people in need and to address yung kanilang mga social problems. No? In practice, we involve putting client welfare above personal comfort or convenience. Inuuna natin yung kapakanan nila. We respond to human need, especially sa mga marginalized sectors, and we provide assistance without expecting reward. As professionals, service is not utang na loob, no, or charity. Service is our ethical obligation grounded in our professional role. Next up is social justice. We seek fairness for those seeking rights or victims of injustice. For social justice, this requires social workers to actively challenge inequality and oppression, not just merely cope with their consequences. Ibig sabihin, ang value natin is critical when working with victims of rape, domestic violence, children in conflict with the law, and indigenous peoples, persons with disabilities, and the urban poor. Example on this is a social worker assisting a battered women does not only provide counseling, but we provide access to protection orders, we coordinate with law enforcement and shelters, and we advocate for their rights with the legal and social welfare system. So it means we extend beyond individual helping into a more system level intervention. Pangatlo naman, dignity and worth of the individual, respecting every person's inherent value. This means we affirm that every person has inherent worth regardless kung ano man yung socioeconomic status niya, gender identity, sexual orientation, kung ano man yung criminal history niya, kung meron man siyang mental health condition. We do not label clients as problems and we see their strength. Palagi natin tinitignan yung kalakasan nila over their weaknesses and we see that alongside their difficulties. Important distinction, respecting dignity does not mean we tolerate harmful behavior. Hindi ganon, no? We treat the person with respect, pero ina-address pa rin natin yung behavior nila responsibly. Number 4, importance of human relationships, building rapport to facilitate the helping process. Social work recognizes that relationships is the primary vehicle for change. Ibig sabihin, no, the helping relationship itself is an intervention. Kaya kailangan we have trust, we have empathy, we have rapport so that we can provide meaningful change. No matter how good the program or service is, if hindi maganda yung relationship, hindi magiging effective yung helping process. That is why engagement is considered a critical phase of social work practice. Next is integrity, maintaining honesty and high ethical standards. Integrity means honesty, competence, and adherence to ethical standards. For competence naman, staying educated and skilled to provide the best possible help, meaning we practice within kung ano yung na-train sa atin, no? But we continuously improve our skills. As social workers, we seek supervision. Kapag hindi tayo sigurado, kailangan yan. No? And we refer cases beyond our expertise and we continue to engage in continuing professional development. Kaya may CPT points tayo dapat. Ayan, no? Dumako naman tayo sa part 1 of our exam drills. Ayan, I made sure na hatiin ang ating drills, no, into 3 consecutive exams incorporated, no, sa ating presentation for today. And this is time bounded, no, so meaning you have 15 seconds to answer and then we will discuss ano ba yung tamang sagot and bakit hindi sila ang tamang sagot. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Legislative recognition of social work as a profession in the Philippines was formally established in 1965 through the passage of, ayan, no, sisimulan natin to cancel out 2 options para mas mapadali yung pagsasagot natin. No? Una-una, 7160, this is local government code of the Philippines, no? So, di siya ang sagot. 9433 naman is the Magna Carta for Public Social Workers. That leaves us with A and B. Ano ba dito which formally established social work as a profession? Siyempre, that's RA 4373. No? Tandaan natin dapat lahat yan. Question number 2. Ito naman, no, primary concern of social work in social work practice. Ano ba? Una-una, individual's internal psyche. So, this is about psychology or psychiatry. So, hindi siya ang sagot. Next naman, economic status of the community and political power of the marginalized. This is about environment. Although it's part of an aspect, no, pero kailangan tinitingnan natin, no, uniquely concerned with social functioning ng mga clients natin. We define them with their interaction between man and their environment. So sagot natin letter B for number 2. Question number 3. Enhancement of social functioning is achieved through activities focused on, no? Ano ba ang fino-focus natin, no? What do we focus on? Is it about legal representation in criminal courts? No? Although this can occur at each case, no? Pero ang hinahanap natin is much more broad definition. Financial management and wealth accumulation, this is also specific task na ginagawa natin. Pero ano ba sa options natin will encompass everything. It is the, syempre, no, social relationships and interaction with the environment. So, question number 3, letter B. Question number 4. Defined as a practice-based profession and an academic discipline that promotes, ano ba ang pinopromote natin? Is it individual profit and corporate growth? This contradicts, no, ang value natin in service and social justice as we discussed kanina. No? So hindi siya ang sagot. No? Political revolution and government overthrow, this violates our professional ethics. No? Kaya hindi siya ang sagot. Religious conversion and spiritual healing is about religious ministry. Ang sagot natin, based on the global definition of social work, social change, development, and social cohesion, kasama na rin, of course, yung empowerment. Question number 5. Specific legislative act known as the Social Welfare Act of 1968 elevated the Social Welfare Administration into, sige, cancel tayo ng dalawa. Commission, this is around 1947. Pag mga ganitong klaseng mga technical terms or yung mga departments, ministries, you have to really read this, no? Read your orange book and also research on the internet. Bureau naman, B, this is about 1946 naman siya. 1946, naging agency, no? It was defined as the status of the agency. This is back in 1946. Ministry naman occurred in 1978. So, ang sagot natin, letter C, department, based on the Republic Act 5416. Yeah. Signed in 1968, elevated the Social Welfare Administration into a department. Question number 5, letter C. Question number 6. Clue natin, no? Systematic body of theory. Pag sinabing body of theory, it's about what? Is it about personal charisma? When we hear personal charisma, this is your personality. So, hindi siya. Set of laws passed by the legislature. This is about community sanction or legislation. So, hindi rin ito. Collection of skills. Pag nasabing skills, is it body of theory? Siyempre, hindi. No? Skills are trade skills. Than professional theory. So, sagot natin, knowledge. Letter A. Knowledge structured into an, ano to? Coherent system. So, sagot natin, letter A for number 6. Question number 7. Professional authority is ascribed to the social worker by the client based on the workers. Ano bang pinagbabasihan natin, no, when we involve ourselves, no? How can we give a sense of security sa client natin? Paano natin mapapakita na we have professional capacity para tumulong? Is it about personal friendship? This is more about social, no? This is social relationship than a professional one. So, hindi siya ang sagot. Physical strength and intimidation. No? Pag sinabi natin, this is not a legitimate source of a professional authority in a helping relationship. Hindi rin siya. Financial wealth, same with letter C. No? This is more personal than professional. So, ang sagot natin, letter B, extensive education in systematic theory. Yan ang pinagbabasihan natin when we establish trust, sense of security towards our client. Question number 8. Community sanction as a professional attribute involves power and privileges such as, no? What's the meaning of community sanction? And dyan natin makikita. The right to ignore local laws. Tama ba to, no? Should we do this? Syempre hindi. No? This is illegal and outside our professional scope. Control over training centers and admission into the profession. Absolute immunity. Ito, no? Tignan nyo yung mga very triggering words. Do we have absolute immunity? Syempre wala. No? This is opposite our regular code of ethics. Ability to arrest individuals without a warrant. Also, no, ganun din. Illegal and outside professional scope. Sagot natin, letter C. The Community Sanction Authority is allowing the profession to control its training, admission, and standards. Answer, letter C. For question number 9, professional culture of social work consists of, no? Saan ba natin pinagbabasihan? Professionally, no? Highlight natin to, bilugan natin. Is it about our uniforms and physical badges? These are physical artifacts that will not, no, represent the underlying culture natin. Same with buildings and office furniture. Hindi na yan. Saan ba dito sa option B and D ang cultural? Siyempre, salaries. Charot. Although, it's better for us to have competing salaries, no? Ng magandang sahod. But, no, if culture ang pinag-uusapan, definitely. Values, norms, and symbols. This is unique to our profession. Answer is letter B. Question number 10. Professional norms are defined as widely accepted standards of behavior that guide, no? Ano ang ginagamit natin, no, when we say the word norms? Clients' behavior in their private home, so private. This is about the client's life. So hindi siya professional behavior. Religious beliefs of the community is more broader, no? This is about the cultural environment. So hindi rin yan. Government's decision on budget allocations. This is more about social policy or political action. Di rin yan ang sagot. Answer natin, interaction with colleagues, superiors, and clients. Ano bang meaning natin when we say norms? Norms guide how professionals manage consultations, interactions with other professional setting. So sagot natin, letter A for number 10. Question number 11. Ito, madali-dali, no? Proven. Ang highlight natin. Alin dito sa apat yung masasabi natin na proven? Is it intuitive? Is it hypothetical? Pag na-prove na natin, it means na it was proven through research. There's already used borrowed knowledge from other fields. So meaning, it is tested. Letter C for number 11. Question number 12. Practice wisdom based on the experience of a practitioner, also known as, pag sinabing practice, this is based on your experiences. Pinagbabasihan natin dito yung ating mga personal journey, personal experiences towards handling clients, paano natin na-handle yung mga predicaments natin, how did we solve our cases. So definitely, it's not about scientific theory because scientific theory is about formal structured knowledge. Hindi siya yung sagot. No? Hypothetical knowledge, this is about theories awaiting testing. No? So this between A and C, no? Assumptive knowledge is about your practice wisdom. Answer for number 12, letter C. Question number 13. Unproven theory tentatively accepted to explain certain facts. Ayun yung clue natin, no? This requires further investigation to be established as a theory. It is our hypothetical knowledge. Letter C. Number 13. Question number 14. Social work draws on borrowed knowledge. Ano yung field kung saan tayo nanghiram, no? Ng iba't ibang theories and practices? Is it personal hobbies and interests? This is not ginagamit natin as a borrowed knowledge. Hindi siya. Alchemy and ancient mysticism. Choice C is possibly, no, hindi siya ang sagot, no? Same with D. Between A and B, economic psychology and sociology, sagot natin dito syempre, no? Letter C. Or letter B, sorry, no? For that matter. No? We utilize these learned concepts, no? Through economics, sociology, psychology, and other social sciences na ginagamitan natin. Astrology and fortune telling is not recognized scientifically. So hindi siyang sagot. Question number 14, letter B. Question number 15. Concept that a slightly authoritarian social worker might be more effective in Philippine culture. Nasabi dito na might be, no? So merong konting pagdududa, no? Kasi hindi tayo like 100% sure. So meaning, it is our practice wisdom. Within the Philippine context, this is assumptive. Nag-a-assume tayo na mas okay na slightly authoritarian na social worker dito sa Philippines. Question number 15, letter D. Going back with our concept-based discussion, we have here the 7 principles of social work by Felix Bistek. No? When working directly with clients, we follow these interpretive principles to ensure ethical practice. Una-una, acceptance, dealing with the client as they truly are without discrimination. So meaning we accept, no, pero it doesn't mean na we approve, no. We accept the client's situation. We don't approve their harmful actions, and we acknowledge their reality. No? Example dito, no. We accept the client who committed the crime as a person worthy of help, while still we address their accountability sa ginawa nila. So that's acceptance. Next is non-judgmental attitude, not blaming the client for their situation. Being non-judgmental means hindi natin sinisisi yung kliyente natin and we avoid our moral judgments. Ang focus natin to understand saan nagmula yung problema nila and to find solutions. If we create judgment, we create resistance. And that's why we should understand, because kung naiintindihan natin, mas lalong magiging cooperative ang ating client towards us. Individualization, recognizing that every client is unique with different experiences. Each client is unique even if yung problema nila may sound similar. And this principle reminds us not to avoid or to avoid assumptions. We tailor their interventions and we respect kung ano man yung cultural or personal differences nila. No? Example nito, two survivors of domestic violence may need very different intervention kahit parehas sila, no, ng situation. This is based on their resources, based dun sa readiness nila, no, to accept our help and the support system na meron sila. Purposeful expression of feelings, helping clients express their emotions safely. We should provide our client with safe space to express yung emotion nila, such as anger, takot, guilt, and grief. And as social worker, our role is to encourage healthy emotional expression and matulungan natin yung kliyente natin to understand and to process yung feelings na nararamdaman nila. Controlled emotional involvement, being sensitive but not overwhelmed by the client's emotions. Important sa atin na we have emotional sensitivity pero professional pa rin yung ground natin. Ibig sabihin, we have to empathize without being emotionally overwhelmed. And we should always maintain our objectivity and professional judgment. Confidentiality, protecting the client's private stories. We protect the client's private information because trust depends on their safety. We don't disclose the client's personal experiences. Pero, no, in confidentiality, it's not absolute. If you have legal and ethical obligations, such as there's a risk of harm towards the client or court order, kailangan i-break natin yung confidentiality. And self-determination, letting the client have the final say in their life decision. The client has the right to make decisions about sa kanilang buhay. No? And as social worker, we provide the information, we provide the options, we clarify yung consequences na meron sila, and we respect the client's choice. No? Kahit ano man yan. And ang role natin is to guide, to support, and we do not control them. Except, syempre, kung may safety concern or we are compelled with the law. Major tasks and functions. Una-una, restorative. When we say restorative, we mean we help individuals, families, and communities recover through their social functioning after it was disrupted. No? We restore na. No? Kasi tayo, no, in social work, we don't just perform one type of intervention. Yung profession natin, it operates with these three major task areas. No? Depending on the client's social functioning and kung ano yung nature ng problema nila. No? Kaya nasabi nating restorative kasi we restore their social functioning after it was disrupted. This is applied if may crisis. Yan. If hindi na kaya ng client natin na mag-function well. No? Example natin, trauma counseling, casework with families after a major disaster, or reintegration ng CICL. Ang kailangan natin matandaan dito, no, it's that restorative work does not mean returning to the old state. No? So it means we help the client adapt, no, or have adaptive functioning within their current realities. Preventive, identifying and controlling conditions that might impair social functioning. Example is advocacy. Pag nasabi nating preventive, this is proactive work. We prevent and we aim to stop social problems before they occur or worsen. This includes character building, values formation, parenting education, community education sa mental health, and substance abuse. Preventive social work, much long-term siya, no? Yung impact niya, it's much long-term, though hindi siya masyadong visible, no? Unlike yung crisis intervention, which is the restorative one. Developmental, nurturing a person's potential to the fullest. Developmental function focuses on enhancing human capacity, yung human potential, empowerment, not just fixing problems. This involves skills development, ano pa, livelihood and capacity building programs, community organizing and participation. In developmental, we don't just ask what is wrong. Ang tinatanong natin, what is possible? This is strengths-based and empowerment approach. The helping process or the plan change. Social work intervention follows a systematic, highlight natin yan, systematic and intentional process, which we refer as plan change. Una-una dyan, engagement. We build the initial relationship. This is a starting phase, no, wherein we develop the trust and rapport. We understand the client situation holistically. Yun, holistical dapat or holistic, no? Yan ang dapat natin tandaan when we try to engage with our client. Next naman is the assessment, gathering data to understand the problem. When we conduct assessment, this is person in environment perspective, like what we discussed kanina. No? We consider individual factors. We consider their family, their social relationships, community then, and institutional influences. Kapag hindi masyadong magandang engagement natin, no, with the helping process, our assessment will be superficial and hindi siya magiging effective. Next naman is the planning, setting specific, measurable, and feasible goals with the client. Planning is a mutual process between the worker and the client. No? Sa pagpaplano, kailangan smart yan, no? We have a specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. We identify the strategies and resources and we assign responsibilities. We have to remember, no, with planning, we should plan with the client. Kasi planning with the client, it respects self-determination. When we plan for the client, this is this empowering. No? Kailangan we always plan with the client. Implementation phase, carrying out the actual work or plan. Sa implementation, this is the action phase or sometimes called middle phase. Here, a social worker, they carry out the intervention, they provide the services, they coordinate the resources, and they monitor the progress. Evaluation naman, determining if the intervention was successful. In the evaluation, we check whether the goals were achieved and ano ba yung nag-work at ano yung hindi nag-work. With the termination, this is the formal ending of the relationship. And we prepare the client for independence. Kailangan, when we terminate, it should be proper to prevent the client from dependency and to reinforce client's competence. Follow up, checking back if problems have resurfaced. If necessary, kailangan mag-follow up tayo with the situation of our clients. Dumako ulit tayo with our exam drills, part 2. Again, 15 seconds starts now for the question number 16. Core value of service dictates the social worker primary goal is to, what is our primary goal? Is it earning a high salary? Ito na naman, no? Pwede ba sagutin ko to? Just kidding. No? Our goal, syempre, hindi lang siya basta kumita lang tayo. No? It's not just about self-serving motivations. Money, no? It's self-serving. No? So, hindi siya ang pinafocus on natin. Gaining political power over others, this is your own motivation, no? So, kailangan kasi we prioritize the client's needs and the community needs. Hindi rin yan. To become a famous public figure, same with, no? This is self-serving interest. Ang kailangan natin or ginagawa natin, we help people in need to address their social problems. No? This is about the services that we provide, no? Resources for the needy and to help the community. Answer for number 16, letter A. Question number 17. Dignity and worth of the individual as core value implies that, ano bang ibig sabihin ng dignity and worth? Is it value is determined by the client's contribution to the economy? This is about, this is actually discriminatory. So, hindi siya ang sagot. Respect is only given to those who follow the worker's advice. Answer, letter C, it violates the principle of acceptance and self-determination. Hindi siya ang sagot. Only wealthy clients deserve respect. No, same with this. Kaya sagot natin letter A. Every person has inherent value regardless of their background. Social work respects the inherent worth and dignity of every person. Question number 17, letter A. Question number 18. Ito naman, no, principle of individualization requires a social worker. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng individualization? Is it grouping all clients with the same problem? Mali na yan. Categorize clients based on their labels or diagnosis. This is labeling, no? Very wrong. Based on HBSE yan, no? Recognize the unique qualities. Ito ang sagot. Letter A. Every individual is unique and situation reactions vary. Okay, ang sagot natin, letter B. Exactly the same. Hindi rin yan. Question number 18, letter B. Question number 19. Acceptance as a professional principle involves, no, when we say acceptance, approving of all deviant behaviors of a client. Na-discuss natin dito, no? When we say acceptance, we accept people as they are, but not approving their harmful consequence or harmful actions. So, yeah. Dealing with the client as they really are, including strengths and weaknesses. Ignoring, yeah. Dito pa lang mali na to. Forcing, ayan yung mga term na very sensitive, very strong. Sagot natin, dealing with the client as they really are, including strengths and weaknesses. Number 19, letter C. Question number 20. Self-determination as the right of the client. Pag sinabi nating self-determination, check natin yung choices. Forced to follow the agency's rules without question. This is oppressive environment rather than professional social work practice. The government dictates the client's daily activities. Pag sinabi, same with letter D, oppressive din ito, no? Social worker makes all the decisions for the client. Ibig sabihin, this is already authoritarian. This prevents the client's growth. Sagot natin letter A. The client has the freedom to choose their own path and decisions. Number 20, letter A. Question number 21. Restorative function of social work, no? Pag sinabing restorative, no? Masasabi natin, preventive ba siya? We prevent problems before they occur. This is the preventive function. Educate the public about new laws. This is part of developmental or educational task. Build new infrastructure in the city. This is part of nothing. I mean, it's not part of social work. And we don't build new infrastructure. Sagot natin, restoration. Restored, impaired social functioning or temporary breakdowns. Letter D, 21. Question number 22. Preventive social work focuses on, ito naman, preventive. Pag sinabi natin preventive, we prevent or it involves early discovery, control of conditions that may impair social functioning. Alin ba dito yon? No? Actually, nasabi ko na siya. Letter D ang sagot. Sinasabi yan. Weird. It's not, sige, check na lang natin yung options. No? Rehabilitation of criminals in prison. Ano ba to? This is restorative or rehabilitative. So, hindi siya yung sagot. Provision of loans to large corporation. This is banking function. Treatment of chronic mental illness. This is also restorative or rehabilitative. Sagot natin letter D. Question number 23. Developmental function of social work focuses on, ano ba inuuna natin? Punishing individuals for their past mistakes. When we punish our clients, no, this is punitive and not social work. Yeah. So, maintaining the status quo in the community. When we say status quo, we ignore. No? We ignore the social change. If we only maintain it, mag-i-stuck tayo with the past. Letter D, providing temporary relief. This is limited. Pag sinabi natin temporary, it's just limited. Yung hinahanap natin dito, developmental function. It means that we aim to realize, no, for the client to realize their full potential and capacities. Optimum development, that's letter B. Question number 24. Linking clients with systems to provide resources. Ano to, no? We serve as a link. Is it resource provider? Kapag resource provider ka, you provide the direct material aid. No? So, hindi siya. Counselor, ang ginagawa ng counselor, they provide restorative adjustment. So, hindi rin yan. Researcher, analyzing, evaluating outcomes. So, from the word social broker and linking, yan. Links or connects the clients to needed community service. Letter B for number 24. Question number 25. Advocacy as a professional task involves recording interviews for the agency's archives. This is case recording. So, hindi siya. Conducting academic lectures without client interaction. Pag C, it is education or educator role ito. This is not an advocacy role. Remaining neutral in disputes between a client and an agency. Kapag neutral ka lang, ibig sabihin you are a mediator. So, sagot natin letter E, fighting for the rights of those disempowered by society. Question number 25. Question number 26. Primary intervention tool used in establishing or maintaining a relationship with the client. Ano ba ang mainly ginagamit natin to communicate? Statistical analysis, this is more grounded in research. Social research is a method used for research. No? Letter C is the method used for research as well as case recording. No? Actually, ang case recording, it is a complementary and indirect tool. Pero ang ginagawa natin, no, syempre we interview our client directly, no, as the primary source of information. Question number 26, letter A. Question number 27. Discussion as a social work tool is described as, pag sinabing discussion sa atin, no, is it a formal lecture given by the worker? Kapag ganito, no, this is just the classroom setting. Nothing unique. A one-way communication from worker to client, authoritarian communication style. Ito, no, hindi natin ginagawa. A secret meeting without the client's knowledge, this violates the principle of participation and confidentiality. No? Kung sagot natin, it's a democratic experience for participants involving informal conversation. This is verbal interaction and democratic experience within the group. Answer natin, letter B. Question number 28. Process of helping a client move to another source of or resource for services called, pag sinabing termination, ending of the relationship, yan. Hindi na sagot. B, intake. Intake is the initial period of achieving a client status. No? Pag masasabi natin intake, no, kliyente na natin sila. No? Assessment is the data gathering phase. No? So, hindi rin yan. No? That's a referral. No? We refer specific a client, no, when we want to move the clients from another resource. Kapag na-exhaust na yung resources na meron tayo or yung own capacity natin is not enough to provide the intervention for our client. So answer is letter D. Number 29. Case recording is considered an indirect tool of social work because bakit nga ba siya indirect? It's only shared with the general public. This violates confidentiality. So hindi siya. It uses to punish. Dito pa lang, punish clients for their behavior. This is unethical. Involves direct face-to-face interaction. Recording is done after no? After or separate from the interaction. No? So ang sagot natin, it enables the worker to see how a case is progressing for modification. And it allows the worker to reflect. No? Nakakapag-reflect yung worker with the case or change the intervention plan as needed. So answer letter C. Question number 30. For our social work students watching, no? Primary methods of social work intervention, ano ba ito, no? Banking, accounting, and auditing is outside of social work. So, hindi siya. Lobbying, campaigning, and advertising also, no? Hindi to social work related. Although we do lobby din naman, no? Pero yun nga ang hinahanap natin, primary methods. Administration, supervision, and research, this is secondary, no? Secondary method. So, ang ginagawa natin, no, as a primary method of our intervention, casework, group work, and community organization. Ayan. So, explain na rin naman natin yan as the weeks or months go by. Ayan. So, question number 30, letter C. For our next topic, roles and tools of the social worker. Unang-una, we serve as an advocate. Kung sinabing advocate, we fight for the rights of the disempowered. We defend the rights of marginalized clients. We challenge yung mga unfair systems and yung mga polisiya. And we help clients assess or access services and protection. No? Advocacy reflects the profession's commitment to social justice, as we've discussed kanina. For the mediator, intervening in disputes to find a common ground. As social workers, we serve as a neutral facilitators. And we help resolve yung mga conflicts no, between the clients and the system. Example dito, yung pinaka-common in the Philippines, no? Family disputes, no? Client agency conflicts, and community disengagements or disagreements. For the educator, teaching skills like budgeting or effective communication. Sometimes we want to convey lessons no, or other means sa mga kliyente natin to teach them. Example, no, how to budget, what is the financial literacy, no, how to have effective parenting strategies. Ayan ang ating educator role. For case manager, locating and coordinating services for complex cases. This is about coordinating multiple services and ensuring na magiging continuous yung intervention natin or our care towards our clients. Example for case management, sometimes a homeless individual may need housing pero hindi lang yun yung kailangan niya. Kailangan niya ng health or medical assistance, kailangan niya ng employment assistance and other legal aid or case management cases no. And these services we integrate them towards this one client. For our main tools, we conduct interviewing, discussion, and referral. Ah, For interviewing, this is the main professional tool na ginagamit natin. Use in engagement, professional assessment, intervention. We use referral if we've already exceed what we can do with the client or hindi na competent yung agency to provide the services na mas kinakailangan ng kliyente natin. For our ethical practice, kailangan alam natin kung kanino natin sila i-refer. Not just, binabato nyo lang yung client towards different agencies. History and professional status. Social work is a profession because it possesses these 5 attributes. Sabi yan ni Ernest Greenwood. Unang-una dyan, no, systematic body of theory. We have drawn different knowledge from sociology, psychology, economics, law, indigenous and local knowledge. Kailangan kasi yung practice natin, it's research-informed, hindi lang siya based on personal opinion. Pangalawa naman, professional authority, knowledge that gives the client a sense of security. Clients trust social workers. Bakit nga ba, no? Because we have specialized training and we apply our training through evidence-based methods. So, kailangan na we have authority kasi mas may intindihan natin yung problema ng client natin and our solutions are professionally guided. Sanctions of the community, powers and privileges given by society to the profession. No? We have legal recognition, we have, ito nga, no, yung pinaprepare nyo, licensure examination for social workers, and our roles and responsibilities are defined. No? We have professional regulation and licensure laws. Code of ethics, regulations to prevent the abuse of authority. This regulates conduct, prevents abuse of power, and protects our clients. For ethical violations, this is not just a personal matter, no? This is professional concern. And professional culture, unique values, norms, and symbols. Social work has a distinct value, no, or culture. We have shared values and knowledge. We have ethical norms. We have professional identity. And with this culture, we are united no across fields and settings. Kaya makikita nyo na in each institutions, organizations, no, meron at merong social worker dyan. Kasi we have provided unique values and norms na nasabi nga natin na social functioning, it's unique to us and unique to our profession. Ayan. For our last part no of our exam drills, part 3. Question number 31. The 1601 Elizabethan Poor Law established three classes of the poor, which were, ito na very technical ito, no? Uh, Wealthy, middle class, and destitute. This is about social, no? And this does not dictate the legal administration of this poor law, no? Pag mga ganitong question, it's good na we cancel out, no? Other options na makikita natin na possibly hindi ang sagot, no? Ito, landowners, merchants, and peasants. Same with letter A, no? Hindi siya about relief, no? Yun, makita nyo, it's about relief. Paano ba ina-administer yung relief towards this law, no? Criminal saints and sinners, same with A, C, and D. Kasi 'di ba, it sounds social or moral. No? These are moral categories. So sagot natin letter B, able-bodied, poor, impotent poor, and dependent children. These three classes defined how relief was administered in England. So sagot natin letter B. Question number 32. Settlement houses such as Toynbee Hall were established to deal with urban problems by building large walls around slums. This is exclusionary, no? Kapag we build large walls, we exclude. This is xenophobic actions. So, mali yan. Relocating all immigrants back to their countries. Ito, very sensitive yung terms na ginamit. No? Same with letter C. This is exclusionary din. Having residents live among poor to understand their lives. Is it the right answer? Or providing loans to the poor. Now, when we provide loans, this refers to banking. So, hindi ito ang purpose ng ating settlement houses. Ang sagot natin, letter B. Having residents live among the poor to understand their lives. Residents gain knowledge. No? Natutunan nila and they respect the urban masses by living among them. So, answer natin, letter B. Question number 33. The Educational Authority, who concluded in 1915 that social work was not a profession, was, no? Sige, cancel natin yung iba dito. No? Ito, no, nasabi natin kanina, Ernest Greenwood, he defined the attributes of the profession in 1957. So, hindi siya ang sagot. No? Mali na ito. Mary Richmond, ito very famous, no, for being a pioneer in casework. So she did not define social work as a profession. Jane Addams, ito pioneered settlement movement. So sagot natin dyan, A. Abraham Flexner, he conclude or yung conclusion na social work was not a profession, it sparked the development of social work theory to prove na it is indeed a professional or it is indeed a profession. So answer natin, letter A, Abraham Flexner. Question number 34. First School of Social Work in the Philippines, established in 1950. University of Santo Tomas, Centro Escolar University of the Philippines, they offered social work courses later. So, ang sagot natin dito, first, to provide program in social administration. Philippine School of Social Work. Question number 34. Question number 35. Mutual protection and economic survival in barangay. No? Ito pa lang alam niyo na yung sagot dito. Barangay. Is it Japanese period? For social work here, no, it focuses on relief for war victims kasi may World War na panahon na ito. Ito naman for American, they introduce new health and education system, no. Spanish period naman, this is religious, religioso and pueblos ang motivation ng period na ito. Sagot natin A, prehistoric period. Before the arrival of colonizers, may mga barangay tayo, no? Which in barangay, it is the social welfare center. Question number 36. Involving the identification of clients' needs and environmental factors. Kailan na tayo nag-identify? No? This is the process of understanding first, no? Before you conduct actions. No? Engagement, this is the initial orienting period. Ito, identification of clients' needs ka na. Termination, you terminate the helping relationship. No? Ending. No? Is it A or B? When we evaluate, we check if our efforts was worthwhile sa kliyente natin. So, hindi ito. No? Dito pa lang, when we conduct assessment, we understand the client upon which the action is based. Dito magbabase yung intervention, no, na gagawin natin. Letter B, 36. Question number 37. Ano guys? Madali, no? Since ano tayo, no? Season, ano natin ngayon? Nagsisimula tayo ng bagong series. So, madali pa ito para sa inyo. Planning in the helping process is described as initial period of establishing communication. This is engagement. Ending of the helping relationship, termination yan. Link between assessment and intervention or collection of data for research purposes. B is about research or evaluation. Sagot natin, it is the link. No? Planning translates assessment into a goal statement and we identify or use this to provide or to reach our goals. 37, letter D. Question number 38. Goals established during the planning phase should be, ito, nasabi natin, no? SMART goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bounded. Alin ba dito yung SMART? Vague and unattainable. No? Pag vague, imposible na evaluate natin ito. No? Determined solely by the social worker, we plan with the client, so hindi ito. Hidden from the client. This violates client's participation. Sagot natin, letter D, goals should be measurable and realistic to be effective. 38, letter D. Question number 39. Implementation in the generalist intervention model refers to, pag nasabi natin ang implementation, ano ba to? No? Evaluation of the results is the evaluation part. Termination is the final step. Process of identifying goals, no? Yung link between assessment and intervention, it's planning. No? So, letter C. Actual undertaking of the plan is the implementation phase. 39, letter C. Question number 40. Guys, you can pause the video, no, if nabibilisan kayo. I'm just training you to answer it as quickly as you can. Evaluation is the process used to determine bakit ba tayo nag-evaluate, no? Huwag natin kakalimutan measurement. We measure the goals versus the objectives. If the client is likable, this is personal judgment, which we don't do, no? Kasi when you make personal judgment, you violate the non-judgmental attitude. Client's religious background, this is part of the assessment and not the evaluation. How much the client can pay the worker, no? Irrelevant to the professional outcome, no? Pera na naman. A, whether a given change effort was worthwhile. Measurement against goals and objectives. Letter A yan. Question number 41. Ito, no? Systems theory in social work conceives of a system as a systems theory. Pag sinabi nating systems theory, it's about the sets of units interacting. No? Units interacting with one another. Interact. No? And with the relationship among them. No? Alin dito yung systems. A machine used for data processing, this is literal. Pag may mga ganito, no, this is a literal mechanical interpretation. So hindi ito. No? We should stick with the social work. A set of rigid laws that never change. This ignores the concept of open system. Kasi, di ba, we have to be open to change. So hindi ito. A single individual acting alone. Nasabi natin kanina, this is about units interacting with one another and the relationships among them. Sagot natin, letter A whole consisting of interdependent and interacting parts. Question number 41, letter A. Question number 42. Psychoanalytic theory, primarily developed by Sigmund Freud, introduced the concept of what? No? When we hear psychoanalytic, alin ba dito yung related to that? Is this about financial accounting? This is not related to the psychological theory. Community organization and lobbying, ano to, no? Saan natin ginagamit? This is a social work method. So, hindi siya theory. Social systems and boundaries refer to systems theory. Yan. So, mali rin yan, no? Pag sinabing Sigmund Freud, id, ego, and superego. This is the core personality structure in Freud's theory. No? Sagot natin, letter B. Question number 43. Ethical dilemma involving the influence of a client in a way the worker wants is termed, ito, no? Kinokontrol natin or we influence the client's behavior. Confidentiality is a principle of protecting information. Din ang sagot. Conflicting loyalties, it's about choosing between two groups. Is it A or B? Maririnig natin medyo negative to, no? Actually, negative siya. Ethical dilemma ang tinatanong. No? With advocacy, it's a good term. No? This is legitimate role when done ethically. Okay yan. So, manipulation is the correct answer, but not a good thing to do, no? Okay, 43, letter B. Question number 44. Ethical dilemmas in advocacy may arise when practitioner, ethical dilemmas again, listens to a client's feelings. These are standard, no? Ethical practices ito. Okay yan. Follows the agency's guidelines. Standard din yan. Promotes unnecessary conflict or distorts the truth. Helps the client apply for a valid permit. This is also standard. Sagot natin letter B. When we distort the truth, no, or create unnecessary conflict, this is ethical risk in our advocacy. No. Sagot natin letter B. Question number 45. Role theory suggests that the social functioning is seen as a sum of places visited by the individual. When we talk about place, this is sociological. So hindi siya about your social functioning. Roles performed by individuals in their social system, books read by the individual. This is also activities that do not define your role performance. Financial transactions, same with B and D. Sagot natin C, roles performed by individuals. Ang ibig sabihin nito, your social functioning is linked to your performance of socially expected behavior. Ano ba yung expected by your status or your position? That's role theory. Question number 45, letter C. Question number 46. Transference in a professional relationship. Pag sinabi nating transference, ano bang nangyayari? The client moves to a different city. This is a physical relocation. So, hindi siya transference. The agency closes down. Kapag nag-close ang agency, this is organizational termination. The worker gives money to the client. No? Ito, medyo, this is material provision. Resource provider. Pag may transference, ibig sabihin, this is about unconscious emotions from the client are transferred to the social worker. This is one of the psychological phenomenon in the helping process. So letter D, yeah, transference for number 46. For question number 47, if we have transference, we have counter transference. Baliktad lang, no? Dito naman, it's an unconscious emotions of the social worker being transferred to the client. Kanina yung worker ay yung client yung nagta-transfer ng unconscious emotion. Pag counter transference naman, it's the social worker. 47, letter C. Question number 48. A client is directly sought by the social worker in a disaster zone. So first, define natin itong mga options, no? D, primary client. This is a general term wherein yung person receives the help. That's the primary client. Referred client, pag sinabi nating referred, it is sent by other agency. No? Ni-refer ng other agency sa atin. That's referred client. Walk-in client naman, initially sila yung kumontak sa atin or the agency kung saan tayo nag-work. So with that, ang tinatanong dito, directly sought by the social worker. So meaning, it involves the worker going directly to the client, such as in this disaster situation. That is letter A, outreach client. For number 48. Question number 49. Social services are also referred to in a broader context as political services. This is different professional fields with different objectives. Same with the military service and the corporate services. Tayo na-focus tayo directly serving individuals, families, and communities. So that's human services for number 49. And last but not the least, question number 50. The ultimate value of social work, according to William Gordon, is the conviction that, alin ba dito, no? Let's see. Letter D, all social problems will disappear by themselves. This is very passive, no? If all social problems will disappear, ano pang magiging role natin? So meaning this is a passive view that denies the need for social work intervention. So mali ito. Social workers should be more powerful than politicians. This is an unethical pursuit of power. So, hindi yan ang ultimate value of social work. B naman, money is the only way to solve human problems. Hmm. Although, there's some point in this, no? Pero it's not money, no, na makakasolve ng lahat. If ganito yung mindset natin, it means that we have, or it means that we have a materialistic view. No? So if you have materialistic view, you will reject your professional values in pursuit of money. So mali pa rin yun. Yeah. And syempre, ang sagot natin dito is letter A. It is good for man to fulfill his potential and help others to do the same. This conviction is the core philosophical foundation ng trabaho natin or the profession itself. So, for number 50, answer is letter A. Ayan, congratulations for finishing our 50 item drills, no? Palakpakan mo naman ng yung sarili. Ayan, give yourself a tap in the back. No? So, how was it? No? Makikita natin, this is just the first video for our new series, no? In preparation for the board examination and of course, to help our fellow social work students, no, na matakil itong mga topics and maybe give some clarifications as well. For our quote for the day, the beginning is the most important part of the work by Plato. So Plato once said this quote, and if you hear about this, ako na personally, I always think where I am right now. No? Kasi this quote is very profound. It applies to us, no, particularly to you as an aspiring social worker. Think about it. No? The beginning of your review is your licensure exam. No? Crucial yan. How you start, the mindset that you bring into your life, yung habits mo, yan, makakatulong yan sa'yo, no? If sa simula pa lang you're focused, you're determined, you set the solid foundation sa iyong knowledge. And by that means, nananalo ka na. This is not just about stating early, no? You have to start right. So, kailangan pag-aralan natin ng mabuti, we understand each concepts, we ask questions, no? Importante 'yon, no? And this applies to the social work practice as well. The initial assessment, the rapport building with your clients, the first interventions, these are the helping beginning, no? Helping beginning relationships that will shape the entire helping process na ginagawa mo. No? Nasabi natin kanina yung importance of engagement. Maganda ang simula, mas madali mong ma-achieve ang iyong desired goals. So, my dear future social workers, take Plato's wisdom to your heart. No? Right now, always go back to your journey towards being a licensed social worker. Focus on your beginnings and make this beginning the most important and impactful part of your success story. Ayan 'no, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, subscribe ka na rin 'no. We have videos just for you. We have free videos in all methods of social work and meron din diyan yung mga materials na, possibly 'no, kailanganin mo rin 'no, and other relevant videos that will surely help you in your social work journey. And that concludes our session for today, Pre-Board Series, Knowledge and Philosophical Foundation of Social Work. Kung nakatulong ang video na ito sa'yo, no, don't forget to like this video and share mo na rin with your fellow social work aspirants. Para paaraan lang yan, no? The more we share, the more we learn together. At kung bago ka lang dito, make sure no, na subscribe ka na and join our growing community of heart-led and headstrong social workers. Click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating susunod na lectures. This has been your partner in your licensure journey. Magpahinga kung pagod and huwag lang susuko. No? See you sa susunod nating session, only here at the AM Corner, where we start our days right and our careers bright. Padayon, future registered social workers. Laban lang, no? Bye for now.